Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package, as well as the FX Off-Road Package and the Lariat Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera right there, and moving to the sides, we do have mud flaps on rear, and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. Moving to the front, we also have front park sensing, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and moving to the side yet again, we do have a side view camera right there, as well as a nice LED strip. We also have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have nice black leathered perforated seats with brown leathering and gray stitching. We have plenty of door space, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. We also have some brown leathering on the door as well, and if you don't need that fifth person, you can always pull that down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And if you need a little extra storage space, you can always lift the seats up for some extra space. We do have 2 additional cup holders right there, 2 heated back seats, a 12 volt outlet right there, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120 volt outlet right there. And looking up, we do have a twin panel moonroof, which adds excellent lighting to the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see we have some nice chrome accent powered seats with the same black leathered perforated seats we saw in the back there with the brown leathering and gray stitching. We do have our B&O sound system in the front headrest, which is always nice, and plenty of door space as well. The brown leathering again, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, 2 blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener right there. We also have the brown leathering on the dash, as well as up there, over there as well, which adds a nice look to the vehicle. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer sitting at 41.2 kilometers. Looking at the steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with the light gray stitching right there. We do have our toggle for a main screen up there, phone and media, volume and voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your menu, you do have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. And looking to the right of me, we do have a nice leather-wrapped little gear shift where you can change your speeds there, and it's also collapsible, providing you with a lot of extra room. You do have a nice little phone slot, 2 cup holders, a wireless charging pad, some storage down there, a USB and a USB-C. You have your rear axle lock there, drive modes, 4-wheel drive capabilities, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, and looking at your drive modes, you do have normal, tow and haul, eco, and sport, and all the way to the right, we do have slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, and rock crawl. And looking over here, we do have our heated steering wheel button, and we have heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, a 12 volt outlet, a 120 volt outlet, media controls right there, and clicking this button, it provides you with a lot of extra storage, as well as down under there. You have your auto stop and auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, traction control, and downhill descent. Looking at our main screen, you have your audio screen, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, apps you may have downloaded, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as navigation, vehicle, connectivity, valet mode, features of the vehicle, such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. And looking over here, we do have that nice brown leathering again. And lifting this up, you have a fair bit of center console storage, with this being able to move side to side or taken out completely. We do have a USB and a USB-C down there. And taking a look above me, we do have our functions for a twin panel moonroof, which we saw earlier. And we do have our rear window opener right there, which is always pretty handy. The stock number for this vehicle is KF38301, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.